It's a new dawn, it's a new beautiful day, and today we're gonna do a ride with the Versus 650 with Laura and my dad and his T700. So yes, we're excited because it's been a while since the weather has been this good, and for me and Laura it's been a while since we've ridden anyway. So let's go, let's ride. We just did the 15 minutes highway, not interesting, and now we're gonna do fun roads. So I'm gonna ride in the back so I can film everything, and that's gonna navigate, and Laura's gonna be the sandwich. Let's go.
So we're taking a break, our first break, because Laura was very hungry. It's a bit a strange location in a town center. Thomas
For the show.
is very handy. Noodles. Soup. Ik zit aan het knoeien. Zat dan open, zat dan af? Ik weet het niet.
Just being a filmer. We've had our lunch, so now the real fun begins. Gewoon rustig gas geven, niet te veel in één. En dan schuilt er weg. Hier bijvoorbeeld al een plekje, maar er stond een mens te pissen dus. Ja, dat is interessant als je kak op je motor doet. is maar, hè. Je kunt op genoeg plekken staan. We made it to the stop that we wanted to do. We are here at the Vinne, and that's a place around Leuven, which is close to Brussels. So it's actually, I think, around 50 kilometers east of Brussels. I think we are right. I think that's about right. And this is a lake, or I don't know if it's called a lake.
It's a lake. Yeah.
A lake.
The biggest lake in the Flanders.
The biggest lake in the Flanders. It's weird English. There's a lot of birds here, so I'm sure it's great for the environment. It's a very nice day today. A lot of good weather. I love it. Since we're gonna do about an hour walk, I think, around the lake. That was a nice walk that we did. It was really hot actually because of the walking and all the things that we have on. But now we're back. We made this little campsite, so it seems, at our bikes, our beautiful bikes. Look at them, it's so nice. Of course mine is the best, but we're gonna drink some coffee and drink some soup. And we're gonna enjoy that.
Ja. Ja. Maar gewoon omdat dat voor dingen was, hè.
that was our last stop. This little bridge right here. This bridge, stairway to heaven, I guess, kind of. And now we're gonna take the route back home. I'm gonna choose either to avoid the highway or do like a little scenic route. Depending on how long it takes, we're gonna choose. So just last part of riding coming up now. That was a very nice day. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna plan to do stuff like this more often because I've been doing not so many rides recently because I've been really busy. Because, big announcement, I bought an apartment, so I'm just really busy with that. But I'll keep making videos, sometimes one day too late, but you know, it's fine. As long as there is one video a week, I'm happy. So yeah, much more content to come about the Tenere 700 and also just my bike in general. So yeah, follow the channel if you're not already. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and now bye bye.